Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF. Let's make it a great one, folks. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials trading up 64, 21,847. NASDAQ up 3, 62.74. S&P's up 5.5, 2446. Gold contract up $6, trading at $12.97 an ounce. You talk about a ride on gold. You just heard Tommy doing that update. Bottom line, they threw 2 million ounces at gold this morning and couldn't break it. Bottom line, went down. We've had a price spread of $20 in gold today. Bottom line, you got buyers that are just sitting there buying. Silver up 9 cents, $17.14. Platinum down $2, $9.77 an ounce. Copper $3.05 a pound. Copper is on a tear, folks. Copper looks like it wants to run to the 323 mark. We're at 250 all of about 2 months ago. Oil, light sweet crude up 44 cents, trading $47.87 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 5 ticks, 127.27, 126.27. 30-year bond up 13 ticks, 156.16. Both notes and bonds, folks, they're going after their June swing highs. They will not back off. And King Dollar, get the butter out, get the toast out, butter it up. It's done. Down 762 ticks, 92,450. Good old King Dollar here, folks. Okay, listen. King Dollar was trying to get a dead cat bounce, couldn't get the dead cat bounce going. Now what you have is this. This is pretty intense. King Dollar right now is down 47 ticks. You've done 38,000 contracts. You're coming into a B point of a monster ABC structure on the way down. This structure, folks, is pretty intense. If we take a look at this, what you're going to see is this. So I was looking for King Dollar to get down to approximately the 88 mark but that was with King Dollar bouncing to at least the 95 mark. Well, good old King Dollar could only make it to 94.000. What we have here is this now. Your A point on this is 97.70. Your B point on this is 92.39. We're dealing, well, actually, one second. Your A point is 101. Your 101 is your A point. 92 is your B. You get approximately $9. 94 is your C. And we are talking about going into approximately about the 85 mark and good old King Dollar. So that is one big number, folks. No two ways about that when you're taking a look at it. Euro. The euro is breaking topside. The euro is at 119.27. The yen is out here at 108.22. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them, because this is what you have with the S&Ps now. This is going to be pretty wild as we come into this close. And what I expect you're going to see when we come into this close is you're going to see a little bit more selling. What we've done out here is this. The SPY has hit a price point today of 245.61. We've done 37 million shares. The high of Tuesday, which was testing, is 245.62. So you missed it by a penny. You have volume of 63 million on Tuesday, the 22nd. That was going into the downdraft from the 17th. So the downdraft of the 17th had 128 million. So as we go over this, I'm going to go over the last couple of weeks to show you where this market is and where I expect it's going to be. So if we go back right to the last high, folks, was on the 8th of August. We reached $248. We made that high with 61.7 million shares. We come off that high with 120 million. Down, fast, wide price spread, all the above. Then we do a counter trend bounce. As we do that counter trend bounce, we go up on 74 million, 73 million, and then we give it up at the high of 56 million. So you remember, you go down on 120, you're trying to make a high of 56. The market lets loose again, comes down with 128 million. We go from a price point of 246 to 243. We do another counter trend bounce. This counter trend bounce was on Tuesday. That counter trend bounce had 63 million shares versus the last counter trend bounce of 73 million. Now what you're doing is that now you've tested the high of Tuesday, dramatically lighter volume. Bottom line, we'll see whether we end up closing. I suspect we are going to close under this 245.62, but that's the way this market is set up right now. We look at it intraday, and what we have intraday right now is that the SPY just when I get on, we just went from 244.82 to 245.20. You can expect as we're coming into this closeout here, I'm going to expect a lot more volatility. You get Draghi that is speaking right now. And if we actually go over and we take a look at that euro, what you're going to have inside the euro is this. Euro right now has broken topside, and this is a big break topside, folks. I mean, a monster break. When you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that we have just gone from 117 euros to $1 to 119.31. The 119.31 is taking out the swing point from the 2nd of August, and this more than likely is a large ABC up. Your A point on this is 111. Your B point up here is 119, so you're talking about 8 pennies. Your C point is 116. We're talking about a 124 coming at us. So if we do go over and we take a look at this gold contract, because what you're going to see, the correlation is direct, folks. I mean, direct as you can get. So when you take a look at this correlation, what you're going to see right now, gold is only up 380. The difference, the price in gold today went from 1301 to 1281 when it got down to 1281. So check this out. It gets down to 1281. Someone sold $2 million in contracts in the gold market, and guess what? It didn't matter. There was someone sitting there buying it right on the other end. If you happen to be watching Tiger TV, what you're going to see is how dramatic that downdraft was, and the only way that could snap back that quick, which it did, is those orders were laying there saying bye, bye, bye. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's call, folks.